Hey all, Bill here from Level 10, hope you're doing well. Today I just wanted to touch base very quickly on one of my favourite features from Google Workspace, which is undo send. Now if you've ever used email recalling before in Outlook, you'll probably realise very quickly that it doesn't always work very well. You send a request to recall an email, it goes to the recipient and they generally have already read the email by then, or they'll go back on the email to find out why you want to recall it. Doesn't work in the best way. Undo send is slightly different, so I'll show you how that works now. So we're inside Google Mail at the moment, and we're going to go up to our settings cog at the top here and select See All Settings. Undo send is enabled by default for all customers with a default cancellation period of 5 seconds. You can change that to 10, 20 or 30. I personally select 30 seconds to give myself the most time, and then we scroll down and we're going to hit save. Now I've pre-drafted an email already and it has a mistake in it. So for example here we've got 3 items, each sold 10 and our total only says 20. So obviously there's an error here that we need to change. However, I'm going to send this as I normally would, and very quickly as I hit send, I remember there's a mistake within that email. So you'll see in the left hand side of Google Workspace we have message sent and we have an undo or review message option. I'm going to hit undo and that email pops straight back up for me to edit and resend. So we've got a 30-second window to make those changes. So if I change my total now to 30, which is correct, and then hit send again, brilliant. I can move on to my next task. And my next task at the moment is to go onto the Level 10 website. So I've gone onto another tab, had a little look around another website. I've then remembered I need to make another change, jump back into Google Workspace, and I can hit undo again. I still have that 30-second window. So I'm going to add something else here that says, please let me know if you need anything else. Perfect. Now I'm ready to send it. Now, if my next task is within Google Mail, for example, if I click on my inbox or I go to my sent mail, you'll notice that the undo send window will disappear straight away. So if you're moving on to another task within Google Mail, so if I hit inbox, that is gone, and that means I cannot use undo send. So it's always just worth spending that extra few seconds before you move on to the next task, just to think if you might need to undo that, make some changes. But that was it, very, very quick rundown on undo send. Hope it was useful. If you have any questions or need any help with Google Workspace, then as always, drop us a message and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.